Here's how to change settings to save new contacts to a Gmail instead of an iCloud account on your iPhone. I am done with the example, as you can see on the screen. First, ensure that your Google Gmail account is added to your iPhone. Please check and verify. If not added yet, then add it first. Go to the Settings app on iPhone. Scroll to the last option, Apps, and search for Contacts. In this screen, you will not see the option Default Account until you enable Contacts Sync for the account added on your iPhone. Select the Gmail account and enable the Contacts toggle. Now your iPhone shows the Google Gmail account on the iPhone phone app. Use the Keep on this iPhone option if your iPhone saved existing local contacts. To access contacts from an iCloud account, enable Contacts for the iCloud account as well. Recommend using the Merge option if a duplicate contact is saved from a Gmail account. Existing local contacts. That's it. Now go back to the previous screen, tap on Default Account, and select Gmail. Let's test by adding a new contact to the Gmail account using the phone app. Go to your phone's dial pad and add the number. Tap on the plus button to add and create a new contact. Enter the contact details, first and last names. Now tap on Save from the top right corner. That's it. Under the Contacts tab, go back and check the new contact saved to the Gmail account. That's amazing that not in the iCloud account. That means your iPhone saves new contacts to Gmail by default. If you have any question, then comment below, like to support me, and subscribe for new video updates.